This video tutorial I will explain how to insert a record using JdbC template with Spring Boot. Here you can see employee table which is there in org_db, and it does not contain any records. We will see how to insert employee record in employee table. Here you can see Spring Boot application with folder structure. Here you can see the pom.xml. Here I have included the dependency of web, JdBC and MySQL connector. In this example, I am using MySQL database, so I have used MySQL connector. Here I have defined the class employee, and it has 4 properties: ID, name, age and salary. And it has employee constructor and getter and setter methods for these 4 properties. Here I have defined the class employee repository, and in this class I have applied repository annotation, and here I have defined JdBC template object, and I have applied auto-wait annotation. So when Spring Boot application start, this JdBC template object will be injected automatically, and it has insert method which accept employee object, and here I have defined the insert SQL, insert into employee and column names and the parameters. And using update method of JdBC template object, I am inserting a record in employee table, and once record is inserted, I am printing the generated primary key. Here you can see application.properties file. In this file, I have defined driver class name and MySQL database URL and username and password of the MySQL DB. And using this connection information, the Spring Boot application established connection to the MySQL database. Here I have defined a class application which implements command line runner interface and provide implementation of run method. So when Spring Boot application started, immediately this run method will be called. Here I am creating employee object. Then I am calling insert method of employee repository object and passing employee object. And here you can see the generated employee ID is 1. So one record is successfully inserted in employee table. Refresh, and here you can see one employee record is successfully inserted in employee table. I am running this application one more time. And here you can see one more record is inserted successfully, and generated primary key is 2. Refresh, and here you can see You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.